Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to link Birdfy to Alexa. So a smart home voice control setup guide for Birdfy camera. So guys, to verify your Birdfy setup, ensure your Birdfy camera is completely set up and you can view the video feed in the Birdfy app. Okay, and then step 2 is open your Alexa app and launch the Alexa app on your mobile device and tap the option of devices, tap all the button of the screen. After that, click the option of plus icon in the top right corner and select the add devices. After that, search for the skills. So select the camera, then search for Birdfy in the brand list. Alternatively, you can go for more menu, skills and games and search for the Birdfy and tap the option of enable to use. Then guys, you link the account and follow the on-screen prompts to log into your Birdfy account and authorize the connection into Alexa. Once linked, to tap the option of discover devices, so Alexa can scan and add your Birdfy feeder to your screen to your system. Then once connected, so you can ask a Alexa to show your Birdfy live stream on any smart display such as Echo Show or Fire TV. Simplify, say Alexa show the camera and camera name. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe.